guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we will mix 1 gallon smoke green matte latex mix for concrete wall. Smoke green is a grayish blue-green shade. It has an irresistibly inviting deepness and weathered familiarity when used in exterior situations, while evoking calm and serenity when used inside. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe by clicking subscribe button below to keep updated on our next paint tutorial video. Thank you. Our client ordered 1 gallon smoke green matte latex mix. We prepare 6 color combinations. Add last 70% of matte latex white, ochre color raw sienna, ochre color phthalo blue, ochre color phthalo green, ochre color lamp black, and latex olive green. Okay, let's start. First, let's drop ochre color, phthalo blue. Followed by ochre color, raw sienna. Let's also put ochre color, black and ochre color phthalo green. Stir the paints well to come out the combined colors. It's very light. Let's just add again little by little ochre colors to become more darker. Okay, let's compare to see if we have to adjust more. Still lighter bluish. We have to add more green. Okay, let's add latex color olive green. Also add ochre color, raw sienna and black. if the color is closer to our client sample. It's almost the same, just a little more darker. We will add more latex olive green and small amount of ochre color raw sienna and black. Stir the paint very well to come out the color result. Just a little bit lighter. Let's just add more olive green, phthalo green, phthalo blue, and raw sienna. Let's drop small ratio of ochre color, black. Okay, let's compare it is the same now. Still an inch lighter, just add more ochre color. We've got the right color already. Mixing accomplished. If you want more tutorial videos, please like, share and subscribe. Ideal Color Paint Mixing TV to keep updated on our paint mixing tutorials. Until next video, thank you for watching.
fall asleep inside my